1. To secure communications during remote access of a system, one can use which of the following tools? A. OpenSSL. B. SSH. C. DD. Deep dump. Answer: B. SSH encrypts the communication channel across the packets. Packets take. 2. Which of the following is not a packet capture/analysis tool? A. Wireshark. B. Replay. C. Dump. D. DD. Answer: D. The DD utility captures files from file systems, not packets on a network. 3. To capture an image of the memory in a running system, one can use which of the following? A. grep. B. dump mem. C. memdump. D. logger. Answer: C. memdump is a program used to copy what is currently in memory. 4. Which tools are used in IP address investigations? Choose all that apply. A. troubleshoot. B. the harvester. C. Dienstnummer. D. mod. Answer: A and C. Troubleshoot gives the IP addresses of a communication channel, and Dienstnummer gets information from a DNS server. 5. To search through a system to find files containing a phrase, what would the best tool be? A. curl. B. logger. C. mod. D. grep. Answer: D. grep is the pattern matching tool that can be used to match patterns and search for matches. 6. What does mod do? A. sets permission on a file. B. initiates a change modification entry in a log file. C. cryptographically hashes a file. D. lists the files in a working directory. Answer: A. mod is used to set/manage file permissions in a Linux environment. 7. You need to analyze previously collected packet data on a network, including editing some of the data. Which is the best tool to use? A. replay. B. dump. C. netstat. D. wireshark. Answer: A. replay is the best tool to use in this case because the question requested packet editing. 8. Which of these tools is used in penetration testing? Choose all that apply. A. nmap. B. neshes. C. scanless. D. the harvester. Answer: A, B, C, and D. All of these tools are used in penetration testing. Nmap finds systems, neshes scans for vulnerabilities, scanless hides the IP of the machine scanning, and the harvester collects information on potential targets. 9. To automate system administration across an enterprise Windows network, including using Windows objects, the best choice would be which of the following? A. bash scripting. B. Python. C. Wireshark. D. PowerShell. Answer: D. PowerShell is the best tool to use in this case. The key is the inclusion of Windows objects. 10. You think a file is malware. What is the first tool you should invoke? A. cuckoo. B. WinHex. C. OpenSSL. D. autopsy. Answer: A. cuckoo is a sandbox program designed to analyze malicious software, separating the software from direct connection to the OS.